Hello, and welcome to another episode of Daddy Donald Town Cooking. I am Daddy Cousteau, and this is Daughter Cousteau. Today, on this episode, we are in search of the ever-elusive citadel. Join us, if you will, on this scary and dangerous adventure, into the world of the culinary bread making, the depths of which we have not yet attempted on this program. So, if we are ready, daughter, are we ready?
Oui.
Then let us begin this quest, this journey, this adventure to find the citadel.
Here are today's ingredients. 2 raisins, tablespoon of butter, tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, 1 egg, 1/2 cup water, 1/3 cup of milk, and 3 cups of flour divided into 2 parts.
Alrighty, everybody. Now it's time for step 1. We're gonna add half the flour.
Half the flour, check.
The sugar,
Sugar, check.
the salt,
Salt, check.
and the yeast.
Yeast, check. Dry ingredients, in. End of step 1. Step 2 is that we have to warm our water, milk, and butter to a temperature of 130 degrees. Once it gets to 130, we will then go ahead and add it to our dry mixture. Let's check the temperature on our liquids. Our temperature gauge reads 129 degrees. The liquids are ready to be added to our dry ingredients. Step 3, daughter, we're going to add the wet to the currently mixed up dry. So, first one, add in the butter, milk, and water mixture. What's part 2?
To add the egg to it.
Now, we're going to go ahead and engage the blender and let this mix up for about 2 minutes. See you real soon. All right, daughter, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's add in the rest of the dry ingredients. Can I have the last 1.5 cups of flour? Last 1.5 cups is here. We are now going to mix this up for about 5 minutes. Sound okay? All right, we'll see you in about 5 minutes, everybody.
Alrighty, everybody. Now that we let our dough mix for about 5 minutes, we're gonna cover it and let it proof for about 10 to 15 minutes. See you real soon.
All right, daughter. The dough has been rising for about 10 minutes, and we have formed the dough into 5 little balls about the size of a ping pong. 1 ball about 2 to 2.5 inches round, and then we just have a big blob for the rest of the dough.
Okay.
So are you ready to make our little turtle?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's take out the balls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5 ping pong ball size. This one is about 2.5 inch, and then this is the rest. You ready for the turtle?
Yep.
So, we're going to take this big ball and set it down here in the middle, and we're kind of going to make sure that each one of these other little balls is underneath this big, huge ball of dough. Okay? All right. Then we're going to take this big, big ball and set it up here in the front.
Okay.
So right now, all the pieces are laying around, correct?
Yep.
You know what? There's something else I need to do. Forgive me, turtle. This is for your own good. Ah! Ah! Daughter, will you please hand me the raisins? Thank you.
Eyeball 1
And
eyeball 2.
turtle now has eyeballs. We're ready to go, and we're going to let this turtle rise. So we're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes or so. We're going to cover it and let it rest. When we come back, it'll be ready to go in the oven.
Alrighty.
So, daughter, we're back. The turtle has proofed for about another 20 minutes. So what I have to do now is shape the top of the turtle.
Okay.
May I please have the serrated knife?
Here you go.
Thank you. So with this, I am merely going to cut in about 1/4 of an inch all the way around the top of the turtle. So, now that I did that, I'm going to make 3 lines diagonally this way and then 3 that way. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then again this way. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, daughter, our turtle is now ready for the oven.
Alrighty.
We are going to place our turtle into a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until nice and golden brown. See you in a little while, turtle. We hit 20 minutes so far in the oven. Let's check on our little turtle. Here, turtle. Look at that, everybody. We got a turtle.
Let's eat. Hello everyone, here I am at the bottom of the ocean. The turtle is straight in front of me. This is incredible. I cannot believe that we have been able to go and explore such depths in the world of creative bread making. Oh, I so want to taste the turtle. But no, I will not. Not yet. Not until I have resurfaced with this beautiful sea turtle.
Well, daughter, look at that. We did it.
Yes, we did.
Turtle bread. I love me some fresh baked bread.
Me too.
Let's go ahead and have some then. Ah!
We need a taste tester.
I can be a taste tester.
No, you can't.
I'm calling the police. That was abuse. All right, let's call the taste tester.
Taste tester. Hello, Daddy.
Bonjour, taste tester. Are you doing well today?
Yes.
Stand over here. I'm going to help you out. Be careful because she hits people. Are you ready to do your job and taste some bread?
Yes.
Okay, well, here you go. Let's go ahead. Ooh, it's steaming. How is it?
Tasty.
Tasty. All right. Daughter, take some.
Thank you.
Daddy's taking some. Let's try it. All right, fresh baked bread. Oh, yeah. Sorry, turtle. All right. If you would, don't forget to like, subscribe, and have fun with your family while baking. But kids, I need to know, daughter, taste tester / son, what's special about this kitchen or this house?
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Nice. Bye,
Bye,
everybody.
everybody.
Oh.